Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to chemistry classes. Today's questions are: which one of the following constitutes a group of isoelectronic species? These are the options: nitrogen molecule O2 minus ion, NO plus CO, and C2 minus 2 minus ion. These are the options. First of all, for this, what is isoelectronic? Iso means same. Electronic means same number of electrons. Which of the species in these groups having the same number of electrons? That is called isoelectronic. What is isoelectronic? Same number of electrons. We will find for those. First of all, N2 molecule. What is the atomic number for nitrogen? 7. Atomic number for nitrogen is number of nitrogen 7. Atomic number 7 and total number of electrons 7. So N2 molecule means there are 2 nitrogen. 7 plus 7 equal to 14 electrons for N2. O2 minus ion. Here minus ion. What is minus ion? It is an anion which is taking electrons. So what is the atomic number for oxygen? 8. Number of electrons are 8. Here there are 2 oxygens. So 8 plus 8, 16 electrons. And one more, minus charge is means taking one more electron. So the plus 1 electron. That equal to 17 electrons for O2 minus. Here N2. Okay, this is option A. I am telling about option A. And next one is NO plus. What is NO plus? NO plus means nitrogen and oxygen plus ion. What is number of electrons in nitrogen are 7 and plus oxygen 8 electrons. So total are 15 electrons. And here telling about plus charge. Plus charge means giving 1 electron. So minus electron. So those are total 14 electrons. And the next one is CO. What is CO? C means carbon. Carbon means total electrons 6. 6 electrons. And in oxygen there are 8 electrons. So CO means carbon 6 electrons, oxygen 8 electrons. Means 8 plus 6, 14 electrons. O2 minus means oxygen plus oxygen 6 electrons and another negative charge, that is 1 electron, total 17 electrons. So here N2, O2 minus, NO plus and CO are having different electrons. So it is not an isoelectronic species. So this is nitrogen, oxygen 2 minus, NO plus, CO. These are not isoelectronic because their total electrons are different. Okay, next we will go to the B option. What is C2? B option. C2, 2 minus. There are 2 carbons. One carbon 6 electrons and another carbon 6 electrons. Total 12 electrons. And this 2 minus charge means they are taking 2 electrons. So 2 minus. Total 4 electrons for C2. And next O2 minus means 2 oxygens 8 electrons plus 8 electrons equal to 16 electrons and 1 charge, that is 1 more electron. Total 17 electrons. From observing these two also we can say this is not isoelectronic, but we will check all those options. CO means carbon 6 electrons, oxygen 8 electrons, total 14 electrons. And next one is NO. NO means nitrogen 7 electrons, oxygen 8 electrons, total 15 electrons. So here observe this option B, C2 minus C2 2 minus 14 electrons, oxygen 2 minus 17 electrons, CO 14 electrons, NO 15 electrons. Those are having different electrons. These are having different electrons. So these are not belongs to the isoelectronic species. So option B is also not correct. And then we will go to the next option. What is that? NO. NO plus means, what is plus means? It is taking, NO plus means it is giving away one electron. Okay, first option C we will check. NO plus, what is N? N means nitrogen 7 electrons, oxygen 8 electrons, 15 electrons, and plus 1 charge means giving 1 electron. So total 14 electrons. And next C2. And next C2 2 minus. We are checking option C. Carbon, 2 carbon, 6 electrons plus 6 electrons, 12 electrons, and here charge 2 minus. So 2, we are adding 2 more electrons. So total 14 electrons. And the next one is CO. What is that? CO. Here CO. What is CO? C means carbon 6 electrons, oxygen 8 electrons. So total 14 electrons. And sorry this one, Cn minus, sorry option C, Cn minus, carbon 6 electrons, nitrogen 7 electrons, 13 electrons, and here one more charge is there, so we are adding one more electron, total 14 electrons. And the next one is N2, nitrogen 7 electrons and another 7 nitrogen 7 electrons, total 14 electrons. So what is the question here? Which one of the following constitutes a group of isoelectronic species? Here what is asking? Isoelectronic. Isoelectronic means same number of electrons. So in the option C, NO plus 14 electrons, C2 2 minus 14 electrons, Cn minus cyanide ion 14 electrons, nitrogen molecule 14 electrons. So all these are having the same number of electrons. So option C is the correct for this question. Understood? If you have any doubt, we will also check for the D option also. What is D? Cn minus. Already we check for the Cn minus. How many? 14 electrons. And N2. N2 also having 14 electrons. O2 2 minus. Previously we did for the O2 minus only. Here we will check for the O2 2 minus. What is O2 2 minus? Oxygen 8 electrons plus 8 electrons gives rise to 16 electrons, and 2 minus charge means plus 2 electrons. We are getting 18 electrons. From here also, here only we can say that these are not isoelectronic. And we will check one option last. Which one is that? C2 2 minus. C means carbon 6 electrons plus 6 electrons, 12 electrons, and 2 minus charge means 2 electrons, 14 electrons. All other three are having same electrons, but O2 2 minus have different configuration, 18 electrons. So it is not an, D option is not an isoelectronic. So option C only isoelectronic. Understood? This is about how to find isoelectronic species from the given group of elements or group of ions.